Can I get Fubo on LG Smart TV? Fubo is a popular streaming service for live sports, news, and entertainment, but its availability on LG Smart TVs depends on the TV's operating system. While newer LG Smart TVs running WebOS support the Fubo app, some older models may require an alternative method to access the service. 1. Checking if your LG Smart TV supports Fubo. LG Smart TVs that run on WebOS 5.0 or later generally support the Fubo app. To check compatibility, go to the LG Content Store on your TV and search for Fubo. If the app appears, your TV supports it. If the app is not available, you may need to use another method to watch Fubo. 2. Installing Fubo on an LG Smart TV. If your LG Smart TV supports Fubo, follow these steps to install it. Press the home button on your LG remote. Open the LG Content Store and select the search icon. Type Fubo and select the app from the search results. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app, sign in with your Fubo account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Fubo. If your LG Smart TV does not support Fubo, you can access it using an external streaming device. Devices like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, or gaming consoles allow you to install the Fubo app and stream content on your TV. Simply connect the device to your TV, install the Fubo app, and sign in. 4th, casting Fubo from a mobile device. If your LG Smart TV supports AirPlay for Apple devices or Screen Share for Android devices, you can cast Fubo from your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your TV and mobile device are on the same Wi-Fi network, open the Fubo app on your phone, and select the cast icon to stream content to your TV. If your LG Smart TV is compatible, you can install and stream Fubo directly from the LG Content Store. If not, external devices or casting options provide alternative ways to watch Fubo. Checking your TV's compatibility will help you find the best method to enjoy live sports and entertainment on Fubo.